Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my daughter's room makeover. It's been a while in the making. We've slowly been getting things for her room. She is absolutely obsessed with unicorns and rainbows and mermaids, so we're kind of going with that theme. So as you can see here, her room is an absolute mess, so we're going to clean, do some organizing, and put up all the new decor. So if you guys want to see her room makeover, then please keep watching. Alright, so first here we're just going to start cleaning. I'm going to have my daughter help me here. She kind of likes to destroy her room at night as far as her coloring and stuff, and her books. She'll kind of throw them everywhere, and her puzzle pieces. There's always puzzle pieces missing. So we're just going to clean that up and put things away. I don't know if any of you guys' children are like this, but my daughter loves to color on everything and anything that is not paper. She'll color on walls, on her bed, on everything. So I'm taking a magic eraser here. I got it wet and it comes off just like a dream. Some of them were a little bit harder to get off. It took some serious elbow grease, but I was able to get most of it off. Here I'm just going to start taking out all of her books. I'm going to be putting them in her cubbies just so she has a central place for all her books and it's more organized. Because like I said, she loves to toss the books around, tear out pages, like it's a nightmare sometimes. And here we are, coloring again on something that is not paper. Luckily this was washable marker, so I just took some Dawn soap and just really scrubbed in there and I was able to get it out. So here I am putting her desk in. My husband is a saint. He went ahead and put all of these together for me. We got her the desk from IKEA and these KALLAX cubes from IKEA as well. They're so awesome and super cheap. We absolutely love IKEA for all things kids. They make wonderful toy storage bins and toy storage organizers. So we actually have some of those in the playroom as well. This desk I love. I will link them both down below, the desk and the cubby. The desk is adjustable so it can grow with her, so we absolutely love this desk. Like I said, she loves to color at night, so this is perfect. I'm just going to do some vacuuming and get everything up off the floor. Alright, we got these LED rainbow curtain lights for her room, and let me tell you, they are so cool, and they're super cheap. I think they were like 20 bucks, so they weren't bad at all. They add such a cool element to the room at night. You guys will see later, I'll show you what it looks like at nighttime. So the instructions said just to undo the zip ties from the top or the twist ties and then undo the individual ones once it's hung, because otherwise it'll be a stringy mess and it'll all get knotted here. So I'm just showing you what it looks like before. Now what I did is I used some zip ties and I fastened it to the top of the blinds. I'm not sure what that piece is called, but as you can see here, I'm just putting about 5 or 6 of them there, making sure they're nice and tight, because you know if the kids pull on it, the whole thing's going to come down, but you'll see what I do later. I'm going to put some curtains in front of it, but it looks really neat. Love these. Just showing you close up how I use the zip ties. Worked out perfectly. Sorry for the darkness here. The light was just being a pain in the butt. I couldn't get it right, so sorry if it seems dark. Plugged them in, tested them, they look great. Now I'm gonna undo each individual strand. Now they are very, very stretchy. It says it's for like a 58-inch window, which is perfect for mine. I think mine's like 56 or 57, so it's perfect. So once you undo them, you just need to pull down on that strand and they will stretch out. These are really neat. My daughter loves them. And there's 3 different settings on it, so you can have it dim, you know, kind of bright, and then super bright. So again, super cool. I will link it down below. All right, now I'm just gonna hang up some sheer curtains. It adds a nice whimsical touch, plus my daughter can't actually grab these strands if it's behind a curtain. So I really love how this layered look looks. Here I am hanging this rainbow canopy. I got this from Target. It was about $60. It's a little pricey, but it's so adorable. There's a little battery pack at the top that you can turn it on at night, and it's just so stinking cute. My daughter loves it. Now those sequin pillows I also got from Amazon. I will link those down below. This rug also came from Amazon. I bought a lot of stuff from Amazon. So again, I will link everything down below for you guys. These lamps came from Home Depot. This rainbow pencil holder came from Amazon. And then I got these rainbow storage cubes from Amazon again. Super adorable. This light up LED rainbow also from Amazon. This unicorn sign is from Kohl's. And these picture frames with the sequins, how cute. Those are also from Amazon. I'm just gonna go ahead and start organizing her books. She has so many books, so it'll be easy for her to find what she wants. Hopefully we can keep it organized, but at least this way she can see everything. Then I got this adorable snow globe from Home Goods. It's a unicorn and it does play music. She loves this one as well. And she got this cute little sequin unicorn for Christmas last year. It's kind of weighted, so I put it next to her books. She loves Dr. Seuss. I've got a ton of Dr. Seuss books. This little tabletop sign is from Dollar Tree. And then this rainbow like puzzle thing, I'm not sure what to call it. It's also from Amazon. It's really cool. This rainbow sign also from Amazon. It lights up, as you can see. Super cute. Love the LED neon lights. And then I got this cloud piggy bank from Home Goods. So adorable as well. Oh, and these are my favorite. I love these tiebacks. I got the unicorn tiebacks from Amazon as well. So cute. They are a little loose. You kind of have to wrap the band around the arm a little bit to make it snug so it doesn't slide down the curtain, but still cute nonetheless. now it's time to organize those pencils, markers, and crayons. I think I'm gonna start taking away her markers so she can't color on furniture. She even colors on her dolls' faces, on her Barbies. She just loves to color on everything. We got this duvet cover. It's just the duvet cover and the pillowcase, but I got that from Amazon as well. Very cute. I thought it came with sheets. I misread the description, but it's okay. I can use her old sheets until I get new ones. Oh, I love these pillowcases. They match her rug. They also came from Amazon. And then both this unicorn pillow and the rainbow pillow came from Walmart. Walmart has some really cute kid stuff too, and it's super cheap. I also got 2 larger pillowcases for the floor, and then this pillowcase, the purple one, came from Ross, and then the rainbow unicorn one came from Home Goods. I'm putting them on the floor because she really loves to lay on the floor and watch her TV and play with her dolls. And this rug is so soft that you just want to take a nap down there and cozy up. I'm showing you these night lights. They're rainbow colored. You'll see them later, but I got a ton of them and they are also from Amazon. I swear Amazon should be sponsoring my video. But this unicorn head also came from Amazon. It was pretty easy to put together once I understood what the directions were saying, but they gave you like little sticky dots, and I found that the sticky dots kind of came undone, so I ended up using some hot glue. But here I am just rolling the petals. It says to roll it with scissors, but I don't quite know what they mean by that, but I just rolled it with my finger and it turned out perfect. So I just show you guys how to do one flower, and then I did the rest off screen. There was so many of these options on Amazon. I picked the best one with the best reviews. I like the colors of this one and the eyelashes. The eyelashes were really cute. I know a lot of people use these for parties, but I thought it would be really cute for her room above her bed. So it's the next day. I'm gonna take everything off the shelves, wipe everything down. It does get pretty dusty up there. I do wish I had a better place for her Ring camera. I hate that there's a cord hanging down on the wall, but what are you gonna do? I got these wall stickers also from, guess, Amazon. They were great. They don't stick that great. I mean, our walls are a little bit textured, but I am going to reuse them. Here I am just putting everything up on the wall. It was kind of tricky to get everything to stay. I did have to end up using some tacks to make the flowers stay specifically because they were heavy and just those little glue dots they gave you were not working. So here I am just adding some tacks to the back where you can't see, just to make sure it doesn't fall on her in the middle of the night. And here's how it turned out. I love this. It is so cute. All right, now I'm just gonna take everything down off of her wall above her dresser. I did end up reusing an old mirror that we had. I just painted it white. I love to upcycle and reuse things in the house if I can. Again, I'm not taking off all those stickers. I am going to reuse them and put them around the frame of this mirror. I do think it's really cute. I do love the stickers, so does my daughter, so I will leave those. And I love this garland, and guess where it came from? Came from Amazon. I think it was about $8 when I bought it. I think it's gone up in price since, but again, I will link everything down below. And I got this unicorn only sign and this dream sign from Kohl's. Super cute stuff at Kohl's when you can find it. The little clouds, as you can see in the mirror reflection there, I got those from Kohl's as well. This little tabletop sign came from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree does have some cute stuff. And here I just put all of her hair bows in this glass jar because she loves her hair bows, so now she can just easily access it. I love these knobs. My mom actually got them for my daughter for her nursery when she was a baby. They're rainbow and perfect for a unicorn room. They're so cute. These signs also came from Kohl's. I think they were part of the same collection. I wish I had more decor for her shelves, but again, it's, you know, work in progress. I will always find new things at Burlington and Ross that I can pick up, but this is what we have for now. I got that little rainbow sign underneath the shelf from Amazon as well. That D sign lights up, it's neon, it's also from Amazon. That unicorn sign is from Dollar Tree, and that dream big heart is from the 99-cent store. Now here I am just putting up those old white mirrors that she had. She had 3 of them, but one broke. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed redoing my daughter's room and giving it a nice facelift, and it's more of a big girl room now. She absolutely loves it. She spends every single minute in there. She wants to eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. She just doesn't want to come out, especially at night with the lights when they're all on. I will insert a clip so you guys can see what it looks like. It is so cool. Those lights, you can see them from the street behind my house, and it's just awesome. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up so I know you guys are liking my cleaning and organizing videos. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really means a lot to me that you guys are supporting and enjoying my content. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.